Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 8 June 2026. Despite geopolitical turmoil and inflation, domestic consumption of essentials and personal care products remain resilient. Company executives express optimism for demand sustenance but advise a cautious approach for the next 2 to 3 quarters due to ongoing inflationary pressures and supply chain disruptions. CBI conducted searches at 6 locations in Chandigarh, Panchkula and Delhi-NCR in connection with an alleged Rs 661 crore fraud. The probe involves siphoning of government funds from Haryana and Chandigarh administrations with allegations of collusion between public servants and bank officials. Incriminating documents and digital devices were seized during the operations. Hyundai Motor India is seeking innovative startups for its Hyundai Innovation Challenge 2026. This 6-month program focuses on advanced solutions in electrifications, new mobility and AI. Startups can apply until June 2026. The challenge encourages groundbreaking ideas beyond the listed focus areas. This initiative aims to foster future vehicle technologies. Managed workspace provider Incriminating is likely to get nearly Rs 100 crore annual revenue boost with its latest acquisition of Fca. Fca has a portfolio of 18 workspace centers covering 5 lakh square feet across Hyderabad and Bengaluru, which it aims to double this fiscal year. Incriminating has set a target of Rs 1000 crore in revenue in financial year 28-29 annual revenue through a mix of expansion, increased enterprise occupancy and acquisitions. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs or MCA has amended the Companies Registered Valuers and Valuation Rules 2017 to strengthen the governance and operational framework applicable to registered valuer organizations or RVOs. Under the amended rules, every registered valuer organization or RVO is required to maintain a minimum paid-up share capital of Rs 25 lakh. The requirement is intended to ensure adequate financial strength and institutional capacity of organizations engaged in the regulation and development of registered valuers. The Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India or IBBI has issued updated forms and formats under various regulations framed under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016. The move follows recent regulatory amendments that replaced prescribed statutory forms with formats to be notified separately by the board. The revised forms and formats are intended to promote uniform reporting practices, improve data quality, and reduce compliance burdens for stakeholders. The Securities and Exchange Board of India or SEBI has issued an updated master circular for alternative investment funds or AIFs to consolidate the regulatory framework applicable to AIFs into a single reference document. The updated circular incorporates regulatory requirements contained in various circulars and directions issued up to May 31, 2026, thereby providing stakeholders with a comprehensive and easily accessible compliance framework.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.